called Better Man. It's the story, the rise, fall and resurrection of Robbie Williams. And it's a story about how Robbie sees himself rather than how the world sees him. And Robbie Williams, I don't know if everyone knows it, but he's a very famous pop star around the world. I think he's known in India, but yeah, so it's an amazing story, very moving, musical, and a lot in it for everyone. It's a great
How
movie.
does it feel to be in Goa and for the festival?
Beautiful. Like it's warm, it's inviting, the people are really friendly, and it's great. We're previewing the movie here really before it gets out there in the rest of the world. So
Tell me about the film I talked about.
Yes, so as Paul said, it's about the life of and career of Robbie Williams, who is one of the best-selling artists in the UK, out of the UK, sorry. And it's about how he, over his career, has battled problems with identity and trying to find himself in amongst his work, and really told from the perspective of how he sees himself in the world.
and Rochelle does an amazing sequence. There's a beautiful sequence on a boat where she falls in love with Robbie Williams. She plays Nicole Appleton, and it's this beautiful dance sequence. And the dance sequence happens, and the movie projects forward to what happens in their relationship. So it's quite a memorable part of it. And Nicole did all the dancing herself.
Apart from your film, any other film that you're looking forward to watching here at IFFI?
Many of the films, there's films from all around the world, so there's a lot of great movies here, so I'm looking forward to just being part of the festival and just enjoying everything that Indian cinema and world cinema has.
And having such a spotlight on the Australian industry as well is really exciting. We were just told that there's Australian film called Rooster that's here. It's so lovely to have a spotlight on Australia while we're here in India.
Yes.
Yeah, one more thing, this you are given a face of chimpanzee in your main character now. What is the behind story there?
Very good. So this is a character that feels different from everyone in the world. So the idea of the monkey is Robbie actually feels like he's a performing monkey. So as a very young child, from then on, he projected this idea of a monkey on himself. So the movie shows us how he feels about himself rather than how the world feels about him.
And as a musical movie, a review is getting good reviews. So how
Good reviews, yes. But the director, Michael Gracie, who did The Greatest Showman, is a very talented director. Rochelle and Jono and some of our cast, they've done really well. And yeah, so it's getting good reviews because it's very ambitious, it's bold, and it's very, very original.
country focused movie?
It's focused on the UK. It's set in the UK, but it was made in Australia, and it's for the world. It's for India. It's a music